Hi everybody, I'm going to show you today how you can sign up to be a driver for TRIDE technology using your favorite mobile device. Today I'm going to be showing you on an iPad, but these are all web-based applications, so they should work whether you're using an iPad, iPhone, Android, whatever mobile device you choose. If you're on an Android version, we ask that you use another browser besides Chrome. Maybe try Firefox or your stock browser to go ahead and start this process. We've had issues with the Chrome browser in Android with the sign up application. Let's go ahead and open our favorite browser. For me today it will be Chrome. So all you're going to do is come up here to the top and go to ridetride.com. Once you're on the home page of ridetride.com, hit the menu button here in the left hand corner, open up and hit driver sign up. Once you're in driver sign up, go ahead and fill out all the information on this application and then hit become a driver. Once you have everything entered, please click become a driver. Once the website reloads, you'll have a message on your screen thanking you for submission. Check your email now and you will have a new email from TRIDE Technologies. As you can see right here, it comes from noreply.4123@gmail.com. Once you click the email, you can see it now congratulates you. Make sure you have all your photos that are listed here to continue on in the application. Once you make sure you have everything, go ahead and start the process. You'll click this link at the bottom, tride.samsride.com. Just click that link and it will take you into the application process. Alright, so now that we're here, we're going to go ahead and type this in. If you get to this section right here, company name and commercial license number, you can skip this unless you're like a commercial driver who has your own business name, doing business as or an LLC. You can enter that information here. Otherwise, go ahead and skip on to the next steps here, driver's license number and so forth. You'll enter in your expiration date, your vehicle make, your model number, your vehicle year. You can go ahead and skip Facebook URL and LinkedIn URL. Once you're done here, go ahead and hit submit. Now we're going to go ahead and upload images. Now I will not be using actual images today. I'm just going to show you basic general process. You need to enter in all the photos that are marked with an asterisk. These three right here, these last three, the first two, vehicle side and vehicle back seat option, those are just optional. But if you were an Uber or Lyft driver, if you log into your account and go to your general settings underneath your account that shows your driver picture and your vehicle and that you were an Uber or Lyft driver, if you'll take a screenshot and upload it here, our background company will then be able to access your former background checks that Uber and Lyft did to get you approved quicker. For now, I'm going to go ahead and hit done. And as you can see, thanks for your driver registration. Your files are being reviewed and you'll receive an email on the next step once you've been approved. Now the next step will happen is TRIDE Technology will be notified that you have now signed up, and the next thing we will do is we will order a background check for you. At that point, you'll be looking for an email coming from American Background Check. You'll enter in that information. Anything in red you'll need to fill out, and once it's submitted, if you were a driver, we'll be able to go ahead and institute you driving immediately based on the fact that you've already been through a background check. But if something were to have changed and we get notified of that, we will then have to deactivate you. But otherwise, we've seen background checks come back as soon as 2 hours. It can be up to 24 hours, so please bear with us depending on how busy the background check company is. After your background check has been approved and we have completed your onboarding, now you'll get an email from TRIDE Technology that says, click this link to change your passcode to access your driver application, where you will type in your new password twice. Submit the password and go back to the first email congratulating you for joining TRIDE and click download your app. If you're on an Android phone, your app will automatically be in the Android store. If you're on an iOS device, you'll click the link, click on the iOS device, and it will download to your phone. Once you click it the first time, it will say untrusted enterprise developer. Go ahead and hit cancel, go back to your system settings, go to general, scroll to the bottom to device management, click the SamsRide, hit trust SamsRide, trust, and now your application is done. Now the app will enter. Once you've entered your information here, go ahead and click driver login, allow. You'll now be on the platform ready to drive. And this ends our tutorial on how to become a driver with the TRIDE Technology app. Thank you.